Good day. Welcome to Wiki Work with Gill Part 2. You should have already reviewed the PowerPoint overview video, which shows how I use a wiki in class, what a wiki is, and the type of projects we use. Today what I'll do is I will show you various wiki websites that I use in class, and we'll just show you how to use the wiki in detail. This is the BTT class front page, the main page where you can navigate to projects, Techpedia, the encyclopedia. You can navigate to the main website of this class. The websites are password protected. And from there you can even go to the wiki page, look at the rubric, look at the overview of the assignment. You can also look at wikis in plain English, an excellent overview video on wikis. There's also a sidebar if you want to navigate the site. This can get you to some of the pages quickly depending where you are. If you want to edit a page or change a page, you go into Edit. This is the basic formatting screen here, and then you basically just go in here and you type, and you can also insert a page or a link, and then you save it. And you could also describe your changes. In this case, we're just going to cancel, so we're not changing anything. Now I'll go to an entrepreneurship page. Their encyclopedia for this page called Entrepedia. You can see students have chosen their topic, written their name, and I'm going to just show you some of the sites so you familiarize yourself with how to use the software. So here's a page Prashanti has created, and what I want to show you here, you can see how she's designed it, the type of information, some images. What I want to show in particular is how she's added citation, in-text citation. So she's done her research, she's looked at this article, and she said, according to this article, and then given a list from the article. So she cited her work in the text. She also has a complete APA bibliography. So that's one of the things you're supposed to do. The other thing I'll show you while I'm here, down here, is comments. You're encouraged to comment on anybody's site. You'll often see that I'll make a comment if I think you've missed something. What I'd like you to do is reply to my comment if it's related to my comment, and then, so I can see you've read my comment. So now if we go back to the Entrepedia page and I look down for another example, here's just another student Sarah doing goal setting. Slightly different layout, using more colors, more images, but it's the same idea. Also, you can see here she's got a video. We could show a video. Just click on the video, and there's a TED Talks video. If you want to add a video to a website, it's pretty straightforward. You just go back to the edit, and then here insert video, YouTube, and then right here you just paste your URL and then hit next, and you've added a YouTube video right on your website. Okay, so again, we'll cancel that. We don't want to change anything there. Next, what I'm going to show you is another example of links. So here's a website. Someone has done some research on Howard Gardner's book, 5 Minds of the Future. And you'll see they've got, what I like about this is they've got a link. One of the minds is the ethical mind, so they've linked that, and that's to another student's page on the wiki. And so wikis should have pages hyperlinked on the wiki, just like Wikipedia. If you go to Wikipedia, everything's hyperlinked. So here's another one. This is the other student's ethical mind page. So if I go back to Entrepedia, navigate back. Now I'm going to show you how you can add a page to the wiki. So let's say, first, of course, I've got to edit. So let's say I'm a student. I've got to pick a new topic. I've read the 5 Minds of the Future stuff. It looks really interesting. No one's done Respectful Mind. So let's say I decide to do Respectful Mind. I add my name. Okay, I just want to highlight the title. This is going to create a title for the page. So, and then I hit add link. It defaults to the same name. And you can see here I could add a page name, a web address, or a file. So in this case, I want a page name. I just hit return. And there's my page name. I should also describe changes down below. So I could just say added, let's say I'll call this mine page, for lack of a better word. And then hit save. Now to actually create the page, you're now in view, if you'll notice up here. And I just click on Respectful Mind, and it automatically comes up with this create page. And if I go in here, it defaults with the name. I want to keep that. I decide what folder. In this case, I'll put it Entrepedia. You could also put it on your own name folder to keep track of stuff. You'll see that if you add files and images, it's easy to keep track of. Then I just hit create page, and there's the web page created. And typically I put some navigation in to start. So let's do return to Entrepedia. Now if you look over here, you can see I can click on Entrepedia there to make it happen automatically. Return, and now I can put any information I'd like. So I could put a title, or I'll just put, maybe I'll just write Howard Gardner's Respectful Mind from his book 5 Minds of the Future. Now I can do some stuff here. Edit my spelling mistake. It's got that, which is nice. And now let's say I want to link to Howard Gardner's web page. I could put a link there. I happen to have his page up somewhere here. There's his page. I copy, right-click, copy the URL back to the page. I'm already under edit. Add link. Again, I don't want to create a page name. If I wanted to create a Howard Gardner page name, I could do that and return. But I want to put a web address in, and I don't want a file. If I wanted a file, I would go here. So web address, I'll delete that, and I'll just Control V for paste the web link or URL. Hit return, and there's the, one thing I forgot to do is we want to open on another page. So I just do that. And there is that. So describe changes. So added a link to page. Be more detailed if you want. Let's say I want to go back to 5 Minds of the Future, which another student has mentioned on the wiki. So I could highlight this. I'm already in edit. Add link. And that would be creating a page. So looks like it's right here on the right. If you look on the right, and I can click that and hit return. Okay, and now I could just hit save. And now I'm back to view. And if I click this link, there's Howard Gardner's page. There's Howard Gardner's, and also this should link us to the other student's page. There we go, 5 Minds of the Future. Now one thing I haven't shown you, if I want to add an image, let's say I want to add an image of this 5 Minds of the Future, I could edit. You're in view. You have to go to the right here and hit this upload files. Okay, and then from there, you have to find the file. Now it's set up for me. So there's the picture. I just link on it. And there's the file up top there. So now what I do is I edit it, and if I want to insert that file, I just go Insert, Link, and I want to browse for the file, existing page or file, Entrepedia. There it is, JPEG. Hit that, Insert Link, and there's my page. I could describe my changes again. Added image, hit save, and there I have an overview of how to use the wiki. Now, of course, you can always hit this help key on the top right if you run into problems. Welcome to the wonderful world of wikis, the Wiki way.